In this video, I will show you how to easily and quickly become strong in Chainsaw Man Devil's Heart. First step, you take a quest and start doing it. Next step, get another quest and start beating the fiends. Now find the shop and choose a weapon. Katana or knife. I have katana, but she is contract. Now farm for contracts. When you are ready, you come here and get a contract. My contracts is Future Sight, Nail Sword, and X Kick. Next step is to find a devil heart, and having found it, go to the hospital. Now I'm ready. I have Chainsaw Devil. He is good. Like for more videos. Bye.